use a blue. I think you're going to use a blue. The blue color here is cube beads, blue beads. Yeah, cube beads blue. We're going to use it making a ring. Yeah, this one. We are going to use the gold. We use the gold. Size 9. I cut it about 15 centimeter. Then here I'm going to fold it. We'll go to fold it here. And then we will going to use the wire 0.3. The sides. We are going to make the ring. Cut it 40 centimeter. Fold it in the middle. How do you measure wire for a ring? For example, this one, the wire I decided to make the design is fold the wire at the middle. So after fold the wire at the middle, I need the size more than 7 centimeter. So I guess I need about 15. So I will cut about 15 like this. Yeah. Because for a ring at size 9, it normally need about 6.5 centimeter or 7. So I do like this. First, depend on your size, depend on the design, and because I made this design before, so I know how long the wire we need. That is just because we tested it before, then I remember it. Okay. Here. Then we start to I'm going to wrap it. Yeah. I use 1 bead. Here. This way. Wrap it. And we wrap it. Then this is the first beads we do. Yeah, like here. Then I combine the 2 wire together. Put the piece of the 2 wire inside the beads. Here. And separate. Wrap. upper, upper. Here. Again, combine the two wires together. Okay. Go slow. Here. Fold it. And go slow. Here. One, two. 1, 2. Here, fold. Yes, it's going to be pretty. Here. This way. It's a flat beads, it's cube beads, so when make it to the ring, it's come flat. Okay. Wrapper. 1, 2. 1, 2. Here. Here. One, two. 1, 2. It's going to be a beautiful ring here. Thank you, my friends. If you are first time to my live streaming, thank you to follow me. This is a channel sell the supplies for jewelry making, and we also show you a lot of free tutorial in my live streaming or in my TikTok page. Here. Go slow. Here. 1. Here. 2. One, 2. 1, 2. Go so. This one, if you are making a hoop earring, it will also work. For a hoop earring, it can be work as well. wrapper. If friends you are do the jewelry business and you have meet some problem that your jewelry fade the color, you can try my materials. My material, the color will not be fade. The copper wire, the chain, the charm, color not be fade. If you want to start a business, you can learn. You can get materials here, or you can learn the technique here, how to make. Okay. Okay, here. I have this ring you made me on a wire black and the seat get complete on. It's so pretty. Thank you. So if who do jewelry business, you can make this design for sale. Okay. Make it with many different colors and display on a nice place, then you will find people can find it and see it nice. Yeah, not only make one piece, you have to make several different color so that the customer can see this design at once. Okay. Here. Thank you. Because the wire wrap jewelry normally is every piece different, so it's a unique design. What size are those beads? 2 millimeter. 2 millimeter the beads. The cube beads. Okay, here. Thank you. Hi, Atalia. Happy to see you. Here. This one. Okay, here we are almost finished. So this design, I'm going to try if going to make it to a closed design. Yeah, let's try. Size 9. Big wire is 1 millimeter. Yes. Thinner wire 0.3. Okay. 0.3, the wire is thinner one. Yes, thinner one. Size 9. If size 9, I will make it at size 8. Yeah, bend at size 8. Here you can see, and it's size 9, so it's perfect here. Okay, then I'm going to cut the wire here. This will be a ring we made it close sides, not adjustable sides. See, the 2 wire we will be put inside here. make it like a hook. It's going to be a closed, yeah, simple like this. But this step you just need to be slowly. You cannot do it very fast. Okay. Too fast, the shape will be out of shape. Okay, it's a size 9. Yeah. So it is a ring that's finished. Yeah. Here.